Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. Thank you for joining my channel and welcome to all new members. I am going to solve Business Standard Newspaper Sudoku based on February 1, 2022 4-star Sudoku. 9th row and 10th row we have pair numbers 1 and 8. It can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. Column E we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. 1 is here. Column G 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column B 9th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B and column D we have 4. Third row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second row and third row we have 4. 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E and column F we have pair numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 is confirmed here. Third row and 4th row we have 3. 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column D 4th row we have pair numbers 6 and 8. It can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 4th row we have 8. 8 can't come these cells. Column I also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column F 4 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 5, 7. Second row we have 3, 5 and 7. It can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Second row and 4th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C in 8th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Column C and column J we have 2. 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B and column C we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 7th grade. 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. We will confirm later. Since 6 is here, 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 7. Column J, we have 6 and 7. 6 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. It's confirmed later. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. In this grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. We can confirm 3 also here. In this grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 10th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 4. Column J, we got 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Eighth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 9, 6. Column I and column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. We will confirm later. Column F, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. In this grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Only 2 numbers are remaining in this grade, 2 and 3. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 1st grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 1, 9. 3rd row, we have 1 and 7. It can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 8. 5th row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then no 1 is here. Fifth row we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fifth row only one numbers are remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Sixth row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Seventh row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Sixth row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.